So, Facebook and Instagram, they decided to make a video editing app, just like TikTok and CapCut and YouTube and YouCut. So, in this video, I want to show you how to use the new Instagram or Facebook video editing app called Edit. So, the first thing is you want to go to your Play Store and you want to install this app. This app is called Edits by Instagram. So when you search for it, you find Edits by Instagram. And so it also wants you to log in with your Instagram account. So I logged in using my Instagram account, and this is the interface you are going to find. So here you are going to see your project. I just tried a few things and then I decided to make this video. So if you come to the interface, the first thing I like that it's very, very simple, very clean. So you want to come here and this is where you can add your properties or your videos that you want to edit. So I'm going to go through and just find a video that I want to edit, and I'm just going to show you how to use this app to do basic video editing. So I'm going to select this video of myself and my friend. So this is the video right here, and you can see the timeline. I like that the timeline is actually big. Is big, and if you edit, you know why that is important. So on top you have the audio. Here we have audio, we have text, we have voice, which means you can record with this. You also have captions, which also means that you can generate auto captions with this. You can overlay, you have some voice effects, and you have cutouts that you can do. So you also have stickers that you can add. So the very basics of video editing is basically to just cut and add a few things that you need. So if I wanted to cut or trim any part of this video, I can just move the mouse to where I want to trim, and then I have the split parts in here. I can just split, and I've just made a cut right here. Also, I like that they make this thing so bold, so it's not so difficult to edit on a mobile phone. So you also have volume. So if I wanted to increase the volume or decrease the volume, I can basically just decrease the volume on this particular cut that I have made. So if I play this, you see that here doesn't have any volume, but right here we have some volume. So if you click on any of the clip, you can see the clip speed here. You can basically increase the speed of the clip as you want, or you can reduce the speed of any of the clips. So I'm just going to leave it at the normal speed. You also have green screen, which is like the auto removal inside of CapCut. So here it says edit allows you to use your camera, blah, blah, blah. So you can just say, okay, it wants you to give it permission. You can just give it the permission. And then you have the option to do further edits right here. You can do 2 speed, 3 speed, 5 speed, and you can add music, you can add timers, and all the basic things that you can do using CapCut or editing inside of CapCut. So as you can see, we have different things that we can do right here, but I'm not really interested in that. So if you want to delete, you can basically delete. If you want to do some adjustment like the brightness of the video, the contrast, let's say we reduce the contrast, the saturation, we increase it, the temperature. Of course, these are not proper video editing technique. I'm just showing you how to use this app. So you have different things that you can do inside of this app. You can sharpen, and so far, most of the things we can do here are basically free for now. All right, so I suspect that they will keep it free, but this is basically how the app works. So as you can see, I've done a few basic edits on this clip so far. So let's say you wanted to add something, you wanted to do an overlay. You can come here, click on overlay, and you can select what you want to use to overlay it. All right, or whatever you want to put as an overlay to your video. So let's say I wanted to add just a picture of me and my friend again. I'm just going to add it. This becomes an overlay. I can move it anywhere I want. It can equally be a video or an image, so you can edit or you can zoom it by using two hands, increasing or decreasing as you want, so you can put it wherever you want. So personally, I do not need that, so I can delete it. But if you wanted to duplicate it, you can equally duplicate it. So these are basically the things you can do with this app. So it's a very simple app, very user friendly. So far I like it. And let's try the auto captions. So to generate the auto captions, you just click the captions, and just like CapCut is going to generate the caption. So as you can see, this is what I was saying in the video, and I'm just going to see if it actually got it well. So yeah, it actually did get it very well. So that is the part for the auto captions. So you can also edit the auto captions by clicking on it. You can come here, you can select the font that you want to use. I usually like typewriter. You can say simple, bold, retro, playful, handwriting, anyone that you want. Personally, I usually like to use the typewriter font, but I'm just going to use this editor for now. So you can also align the captions that you want. So I'm just going to leave it central. Here you can change the color and saturation of the captions. So I'm just going to do blue, and that's basically all I need to do. So I can just say done. So we are done with the caption. So if you play the video, you can see the caption as it moves. So far, it doesn't look like they have templates for the caption, but this is fairly okay. So this is basically how you can use this app. Once you are done, you can click on export, and you can export. So far, we can export into K. So one thing I've noticed is that this can only edit portrait videos, which I think is deliberate, but in the future we'll see if they are going to make it able to also edit with landscape. So far I like the app. It's very simple to use, and this is basically how to use edits by Instagram or Facebook. I hope this video helps you. Please like the video, subscribe. My name is Good Noel. I'll see you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.